In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Monopoly Go account. Whether you've had a change of heart about gaming or just want a fresh start, deleting your account is a straightforward process. I'll guide you through each step, ensuring the process is smooth and easy to follow. First things first, let's launch the Monopoly Go app. This is your starting point and where everything takes place. So go ahead and open the application on your device. Once inside, take a moment to let it load fully to avoid any hiccups as we proceed. Now look towards the upper left or right corner of your screen, depending on the version or update you have, to find the three horizontal bars. These lines typically represent the main menu or settings icon. By tapping on these bars, you're opening up a world of options that will allow us to dive deeper into your account settings. With the menu open, scroll through until you spot the settings option. Go ahead and tap on it. Some people might be familiar with this space as the hub for adjusting notifications, game preferences and more. However, for our purpose, we're heading towards something quite specific: profile management. As you navigate through the settings, look for the Manage Account section. This is crucial as it holds the key to all things related to your personal information on Monopoly Go. By tapping on Manage Account, you're entering the area dedicated to overseeing all account related activities. Once you're within the Manage Account section, it's time to focus on the account deletion process. This option should be clearly labeled as account deletion. Selecting this will redirect you to the page specifically designed to confirm your intent to delete your Monopoly Go account. Lastly, you will see the option to delete your account. Tapping on Delete Account is the final step of this journey. Remember, this action is usually irreversible, meaning your game progress, including any coins or special items you might have collected, will be lost. It's always a good idea to ensure this is the action you really want to take, as once completed, you won't be able to recover any part of your account. And there you have it, folks. Deleting your Monopoly Go account can be done with just a few simple taps on your screen. If you're sure this is right for you, these steps will guide you smoothly through the process. Thank you for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to check out more of our guides for additional support on other applications.